This exceptional 2002 Cadillac Seville is equipped with a responsive 4.6-liter V8 engine, an exciting manual transmission, and has the safety and efficiency of front-wheel drive. Its electronic and entertainment features include an audio system with an AM/FM radio, a CD player and a cassette deck, an 8-speaker in-cabin sound system and remote audio controls. It also gets an estimated 27 miles per gallon on the highway, and 18 in the city. PAUSE equals 2000. For your comfort, this sedan has parking distance sensors and an air conditioner with climate control, and a rear outlet. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include driver and passenger front airbags with passenger occupant sensors. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive. PAUSE equals 4000.
Bergstrom GM of Neenah, your #1 GM certified dealer in Wisconsin, is located at 150 North Green Bay Road, conveniently located right off of Highway 41 in Neenah. This vehicle won't be here long, so call our professional sales staff today to schedule an appointment.